Over here beating the hammer blindfolded. Sheesh, that leverage. So today we're here with David. We're here with the homeboy Rob, right? Yep. We're changing the brakes on the Accord. And I thought this would be a good opportunity to show everybody that it's really not as bad as it seems. You just need somebody to help you sometimes.
This one is for the left, right? The red button?
Yeah, go ahead now. You gotta be all the way in. Yeah, you'll feel it sinking. So normally, you would just take a Phillips head screwdriver, stick it in here, smack it with a hammer a couple of times, and it come out. Someone tried to do that and it didn't work out for him. That's why we got this. Yeah, it's recording. Just when we was about to give up. Just when we was about to give the dealership the money. Just when we was about to say no. Puñeta. Oh, mama huevo. I'm not even gonna lie. I was trying to lose. I done been lost hope, my friend.
How you get it? You like hit it from the side?
Yeah.
And it just loosened.
Yeah, I went from the corner of it.
Praise the Lord, praise the Lord.
Praise God. Okay, on to the rest
Not
of
a
it.
hard part again.
Oh, that boy got the freshies on there. All right, so now comes reassembly. We just put everything back on in reverse order that we put it on in. So I'm gonna snap my fingers and there's gonna be a wheel here. Oh.
Jesus.
So how about we make things interesting? Last side we gotta put brakes on, so I'm gonna try doing it blindfolded. This should be interesting. Alright, so I spent enough time doing brakes. So the challenge is blindfold myself and put his brakes on. So I'm going to cover my eyes. Oh, by the way, I have all the tools I needed laid out here. So this brake caliper actually has to compress it, you have to twist it and turn it, so it has this specialty tool. I already have it. I have everything picked out for it already. I'll leave all that here. I'm gonna be putting everything together blindfolded. So here we go.
So make sure you fully blindfolded. Turn around. Let the camera get that.
I can't see nothing.
Alright.
Oh boy, this is already hard. Alright, we're off to the start. I forgot to take one thing out of bed. Flathead screwdriver. There's the one thing I need help with. Yeah. Oh yeah. I don't even need it. So y'all probably saw this before I did, but it broke. Me trying to show off and be all big and bad and do it blindfolded. I knew I felt something hit my leg. Anyway, had to beat this one off. I was starting to lose faith, but that's what it looked like now. But I got it. Don't ever question me. Don't ask me how, but I got it. So we're gonna get this off and then commence the rest of the challenge. Alright, so we avoided a mishap. What's the screw?
Bro, this thing. This is a piece of work right here. I'm gonna keep this.
But yeah. So obviously I had to cheat a little bit for obvious reasons, but challenge continues. Alright, so that's off. Now I need my assistant to bring me the new hardware.
Oh.
This is the tricky part. Okay, it's a lot harder than I thought it'd be. Okay. Alright.
Rage on that beat, going crazy.
much from a plan of keeping everything organized.
It's right next to you. To your waist.
That is to do.
The other one is between your legs. Next to the hammer. Yeah. You want to do your check?
Hi. I can't believe I actually did that blindfolded. Let's take a look over everything real quick.
We got the caliper bolts, the tight. Wow, I even lined up the set screw right. Yeah. I say this was a success. I mean, when you shift that big pull, bro. Alright, so that's about it for this video. Appreciate David for letting well, I should say trusted me to put his brakes in blindfolded. We did all the 4 corners, all 4 brakes. He has drill slotted brakes now, so he can drive it as hard as he wanted. It won't overheat as much. Doing it actually made me wanna do the same thing for my car. We'll get to that at some point. Obviously got other things I need to deal with. But if you liked it and you were entertained, go ahead and smash the like button. Make sure you subscribe. Click the bell next to the subscribe button so you don't miss a video. I'm probably gonna be doing more videos like this more often. That's about it. Appreciate y'all. I'll see y'all in the next one.